Learn English with Miss Ella.
Kitchen items.
Kitchen items.
Plate.
Plate.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Glass.
Glass.
Mug.
Mug.
Coffee cup and saucer.
Coffee cup and saucer.
Paper cup.
Paper cup.
Straw.
Straw.
Pitcher.
Pitcher.
Teapot.
Teapot.
Butter dish.
Butter dish.
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
Cookie cutter.
Cookie cutter.
Baking dish.
Baking dish.
Baking pan.
Baking pan.
Baking sheet.
Baking sheet.
Cake pan.
Cake pan.
Cake stand.
Cake stand.
Bundt pan.
Bundt pan.
Dish towel.
Dish towel.
Oven mitt.
Oven mitt.
Potholder.
Potholder.
Tablecloth.
Tablecloth.
Placemat.
Placemat.
Apron.
Apron.
Dishes.
Dishes.
Dish drying rack.
Dish drying rack.
Wing corkscrew.
Wing corkscrew.
Breadbox.
Breadbox. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more videos like this.